Hi there, my name is Ronnie Russel. I'm at the Royal Scottish Automobile Club 3 Lochs Classic event. We're at the Royal Northern Clyde Yacht Club, that's the venue. A lot of different cars here today. We have something rather unusual. I want to introduce you to Clyde Anthony Brown, who is the proud owner of this car here. Now, did you build this car, Clyde, or did you buy it?
I built it.
You built it?
I got it as a box of bits for somebody who'd taken it apart. And
right.
left it in the garage, and after 10 years our wives were having a chat and I ended up with
the car.
The
boxes.
So put it together over a winter, took about 3 or 4 months.
Yep.
And took it on a 1,000-mile trip around Scotland.
Wow. Well, so everything works, but it all takes time.
It takes time. There are things that go wrong just with age, but it's a separate chassis. It's all Cortina running gear. So the front suspension is Cortina,
right.
The rear suspension, engine and transmission.
Right.
It was all Ford Cortina, so it's a better use of a Ford running gear.
And what's the model?
The model is called a JBA Falcon +2. +2 is because it should have 2 dicky seats in the back.
Oh, the 2 dicky seats.
But I've taken them out because it gives me more storage space.
Yes, yeah. So the dicky seats were very popular with the vintage cars. It's nice to see a model like this that's been hand built basically. So, likes of inside with the dashboard and everything. How did you come about putting all that together?
Well, piece of wood.
I like it.
Cut it to shape. Decide where all the instruments are going to go.
Yep.
And cut the holes in the right place.
Yep.
And then got an electrical friend out, who John standing over there, who did all the electrical work behind it for me.
Right. So did he actually make up a wiring room for you then?
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
Because he make up the wiring room.
He has another one which is a very very nice example.
Right. Well, same type of car.
Same type of car, but his is Sierra based rather than Cortina based.
Right. What we didn't ask you was what size of engine's in it?
This one is a 2 litre engine.
2 litre engine.
And it's got a 5-speed gearbox rather than a 4-speed gearbox, so it makes it good for cruising on the motorway.
Yes, that'll give you a higher top speed without having to rev too high.
So it's a constant changing thing. It's
a constant work in progress.
Absolutely, yes.
As they say, under development. But certainly, can we open the door?
Yes, of course. Excuse me.
Now, usually when we go to open the doors, you know what happens? They're usually locked. That's why I don't open the doors anymore. Yeah, you can have a look inside.
The seats are out of a Nissan Almera Tino. They're the rear outer seats of the car, because they're the only ones that fit you.
So is it
very narrow.
The engine, gearbox and axle, they're all Ford Cortina?
Ford Cortina.
Right.
The rest of it is the chassis, the body came as a kit.
Right.
The chassis is good heavy section square shaped extruded steel. The body in this model is made up of fiberglass, aluminium and steel. So the body tub's aluminium and steel.
Right.
And obviously the curvy bits are fiberglass.
Fiberglass, yeah. And the running boards. What about what brakes? What have you?
It's all the same brakes. It's still Ford Cortina.
Right.
Only thing I've done to it is put a stainless steel exhaust on there to make it last a bit longer.
Is that to give it a wee bit more of a growl?
It does give it a bit more of a growl.
Could we possibly hear a wee growl?
Switch it off before we start.
Because Peter and me tend to like to hear the different growls in cars, and this would be a first. I also noticed you've got a tow bar in the back.
Yes.
Now,
also a caravan.
Have you towed a caravan with it?
Haven't yet, we will do.
Whoa. Very nice. Give it a couple more, please. Lovely, lovely. There you go. Every day is different.
Yeah. And it does have a boot in the back.
Oh, that's quite a bit well.
Tools, just in case.
All right, and of course the most essential part of it is the toolbox.
Yes. And the emergency kit in the other.
Yeah, the full kit's there, emergency kit, everything. Toolbox. oil, water, foot pump. Perfect. Perfect.
Just in case any of them are needed.
So, what was the model of the car again?
It's a JBA Falcon +2.
You got that?
Yeah.
What size of wheels have we got on it?
These are 14-inch.
14 inch, right. Goodyear tyres. What miles per gallon? Kitcar, very hard to evaluate.
I would say that we've had anywhere between 20 and 30 to the gallon.
Yeah, so it can vary.
It can vary.
Whether you're on
when we did the tour around Scotland, we were getting about 20 to the gallon. It made it very expensive.
Right.
But we have had 30 or plus.
So you did the tour around Scotland. How many miles was that?
1,000.
1,000 miles. Right.
Straight after it was built.
Well, that was a good baptism of fire.
It was.
That's how it should be.
Yes.
Get it out there, make sure it works, and then if it doesn't work, get it
These
fixed.
additional lights here, I had to move this up from there because it was dragging on everything. These little lights here come from China. Stop lights, indicators, and number plate light.
Right.
So extra line of extra lights.
Well, Peter, that was something very different today.
Interesting.
A view into the Kitcar world. Thank you, Clyde. Thanks for letting us see your car.
Yeah,
Right,
thank you, Clyde.
Thank you.
Okay.
Well, that's us just finished the 3 Lochs classic car run here at Rue, Helensburgh.